Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this vegetable soup. Okay, so yummy. So here I have the ingredients for preparing the vegetable soup. I have 2 bell peppers, tomatoes, and 2 onion bulb. Okay, I'll be using spices. Okay, I have spices too for seasoning the turkey because I'll be using turkey for the recipe. You can use chicken if you like or any meat of your choice. So I have the meat spices, the pepper flakes, the knorr cube, and salt. I also have crayfish here, and then juice that I extracted from ginger and garlic. Okay, I have the turkey here. You can use any protein of your choice. Then I have spinach. I'll be using spinach. You can also use fruited pumpkin leaf. Okay, so in a pot, I already washed the turkey very well with clean water and salt. Then I'll be mixing the spices together and then add it inside the pot. I will now add also knorr cube. I'll be using just 1 knorr cube, and then the ginger and garlic juice. I'll be adding the chopped onion. I will now stir it all together to combine, and then cover to cook for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes before adding water. This will make the turkey to digest all the spices added to it, and it will taste yummy and delicious. Okay, so this is 15 minutes. It's been cooking. As you can see, it brought out water on its own, but I'll be adding water now, enough to cook the meat. Okay, I will add water in the same level with the chicken and allow it to cook. So over here, I'll now be preparing the vegetables for the stew. I'll blend the bell peppers and onion, and then chopped the tomatoes. I'll chop it little by little. You can go ahead to blend yours if you like. Okay, I've also washed the vegetables with clean water and salt, and now go ahead to chop it. It's already well chopped. I'll set it aside too. Back to the turkey. It's all well cooked now, as you can see. I will now scoop it out. Then I will use oven to grill it. You can use a fryer or you fry it with vegetable oil. Okay, your choice. But I want to grill it using oven. So I'll transfer it in an oven tray and grill it for 25 minutes in 280 degrees centigrade. Okay, so over to the frying pan, I've added olive oil. I'll be using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or red oil or both. Okay, you can use both red oil and vegetable oil. Anyone can go. So I added the onion and sauteed it, and then add the blended bell peppers and onion. I also added the ginger and garlic juice. I will stir fry it for 10 minutes before adding the tomatoes. Okay, I will now stir fry the tomatoes and allow it to cook for 15 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Then this is 15 minutes. I go ahead to add the crayfish, 1 knorr cube for seasoning, salt, curry, the mixed spices. So I'll stir them and allow to cook for 10 minutes before adding the turkey broth. Okay, I didn't sieve the particles. You can sieve it if you want, but because it's vegetable stew that I'm cooking, I didn't sieve it. But feel free to sieve the particles if you like. Okay, so I added the turkey broth and allow it to cook for 10 minutes before adding the turkey. Okay, as you can see, the turkey is well grilled, almost about getting burnt, but I got it red-handed. Shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. Okay, and if you have watched to this moment, you have not subscribed, please do. Okay, I went ahead to test it, and it tastes so heavenly. The aroma of my kitchen have just changed, seriously. To my return subscribers, I say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Like, comment, and share. So much appreciated. Okay, so at this moment I add the spinach. You can see the spinach is very much, of course, it's vegetable stew that we're cooking here. Okay, and you can see how attracting, enticing, and delicious it's all looking. Very yummy. So I just added some sliced bell peppers for garnishing. Okay, it's optional, not compulsory. Okay, so I'll just turn off the stove and let the heat to cook the spinach. And I'm enjoying it with yam. You can enjoy it with rice and boiled plantain. Thanks for watching. Bye.